Solar Mama's ABCs of solar energy, where we're breaking down solar power one letter at a time. I'm Solar Mama, and today's letter is X for Xenon. Now, Xenon might sound like it's out of a sci-fi movie, or if you grew up on Disney and remember the movie Xenon Girl of the 21st Century, spelled different but pronounced the same. But Xenon actually plays an important behind-the-scenes role when it comes to solar energy. You don't see Xenon in the panels on your roof, but it helps make sure that the panels are working the way they should be. Let's unpack what that means in a very simple way. So what actually is Xenon? Xenon is a noble gas. It's colorless, odorless, and non-reactive. You can find it in the air around us, but only in very tiny amounts, less than 1 part per 10 million. Even though it's rare, Xenon is useful because it can produce a very bright, consistent light when electricity passes through it. You've probably seen a Xenon light before without realizing it. It's used in car headlights, projectors, airport runways, and certain camera flashes. What makes it special is that its light is strong and balanced. It closely mimics natural sunlight. That makes it perfect for testing solar panels indoors. So how does Xenon help in solar panel testing? Think about it like this. Before solar panels get installed on your roof or a solar farm, they need to be tested. Just like a new car gets test driven before it's sold. That's where Xenon comes in. In laboratories, Xenon arc lamps act as kind of an artificial sun. They simulate full spectrum sunlight, meaning the lamps emit light across the same range of wavelengths that the sun does, from ultraviolet to infrared. This allows engineers to test how well a solar panel performs without waiting for perfect weather. They can measure how efficiently the panel converts light into electricity, check its durability, and make sure it meets international standards. In most labs, these tests use a standard of 1,000 watts per square meter, which is roughly the amount of sunlight hitting Earth's surface on a clear day at noon. By using Xenon lamps, scientists can recreate those conditions consistently any time of the day, anywhere in the world. So why does Xenon matter? You can think of Xenon as part of a quality control process for solar panels. It helps verify claims like this panel produces 400 watts or this system lasts 25 years. Without reliable testing light, manufacturers couldn't guarantee performance. For example, imagine you buy a solar panel labeled 400 watts. The only way to confirm that rating is by testing it under standardized sunlight conditions. And that's exactly what Xenon lamps provide. They help ensure that what's printed on the box actually matches what you get in real life. Here's a simple way to think about it. Imagine you buy a brand new oven and the company says it heats to exactly 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Before they sell it, they test it with instruments in a lab to confirm that it actually reaches that temperature. Xenon lamps are like those testing instruments. They provide a controlled and repeatable environment that lets manufacturers confirm every single panel performs to spec. That's why when your solar installer tells you how much energy your system will produce, that estimate is based off verified test results from Xenon-based certification labs. So what does testing look like? If you walked into one of the solar testing labs, you'd see a setup where a large Xenon arc lamp is aimed at a solar panel placed on a flat surface. The lamp flashes or shines steadily for a certain amount of time, while instruments record the panel's voltage, current, and efficiency. The brightness and spectrum of the Xenon lamp are calculated so they match sunlight as closely as possible. That includes ultraviolet, visible, and infrared light, the same wavelengths real sunlight carries. These tests can be short bursts lasting just a few seconds for performance checks, or long-term exposure tests lasting hundreds of hours to study how panels degrade over time. Here's a comparison. Think about how car manufacturers crash test vehicles under controlled conditions. They don't wait for a real accident to see if the airbags work. Similarly, solar companies don't wait years of outdoor exposure to find out if a solar panel will hold up. Xenon lamps let them simulate years of sunlight in just a few weeks. This saves time, reduces risk, and ensures by the time the panels reach your home, they've already been through rigorous quality control. Here's some quick facts. The National Renewable Energy Laboratory and other certification bodies like the IEC use Xenon-based simulators for performance and durability testing. Panels typically achieve efficiencies anywhere from 19 to 23% when tested under xenon light matches solar radiation standards. High-quality xenon lights can operate for 2,000 to 5,000 hours before needing a replacement. The cost of a professional-grade xenon solar simulator ranges from $1,000 to $5,000 per unit, and that depends on the size and the precision. It is an investment, but it guarantees consistency across manufacturers. So whether the panel comes from the US, Asia, or Europe, the xenon-based test ensures the results are comparable. So let's take a standard 6 kilowatt residential solar setup, about 15 panels. If each panel was tested and certified under xenon light conditions, the performance data helps installers predict how much energy you'll actually generate. For example, in states like Arizona or Nevada, such a system might produce about 9,000 kilowatt hours per year, saving about $1,400 annually on electricity and preventing 6 tons of carbon dioxide emissions. That level of predictability wouldn't be possible without accurate lab data. Xenon lamps play a major role in creating that baseline. Now let's move on to maintenance and calibration. Just like any piece of lab equipment, xenon lamps need maintenance. Over time, light intensity and color spectrum can shift slightly, so labs regularly calibrate their systems to make sure results stay accurate. It's similar to how you might calibrate your kitchen scale or thermostat over months of use. Even small drifts can add up. Keeping the light consistent ensures every panel test is fair and precise. Let's talk about the challenges in evolving tech. Of course, xenon testing isn't perfect. The lamps generate heat and use more power than LED-based simulators, and they need occasional bulb replacement. That's why researchers are also exploring LED solar simulators, which can be tuned more easily to match the solar spectrum. Still, xenon remains the industry standard for high precision work because it best replaces real sunlight. Many labs now use hybrid systems, combining xenon and LED light to get the advantages of both consistency and energy efficiency. Here's another way to picture it. Think of xenon and LED testing like cooking methods. Xenon is the oven, broad, even, and full spectrum, while LED is more like an air fryer, faster, more efficient, and tunable. Both get the job done, but the oven gives that consistent, all-around heat that ensures everything cooks evenly. In the same way, xenon provides a full sunlight simulation that makes sure the solar panels are tested in every condition the real sun would throw at them. At the end of the day, xenon testing ensures trust. When you invest in solar panels, you're not just buying the technology. You're relying on standards that guarantee safety, performance, and longevity. Xenon lamps are one small but critical part of that system. They help the solar industry maintain transparency and quality. So that's X for xenon. It might not sit on your rooftop, but it plays a huge role in making sure that the solar panels you depend on are safe, reliable, and efficient. Every certified panel you see on the market today at some point has been under the light of a xenon lamp, a silent but powerful part of the solar story. And thanks so much for joining us on another episode of Solar Mama's ABCs of Solar Energy. Next up is the letter Y. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit the bell, subscribe, and we can't wait to see you on our next episode.